when you are going to register on People Per Hour, a wonderful freelancing website, then you have to face a lots of problem, and there is a problem that your application will not be approved, isn't it? So it's one type of a requested video. One of my friends has asked that how to register and how to fill up the form in People Per Hour so that you will be selected as a freelancer in People Per Hour. I have already mentioned a video how to become a freelancer in People Per Hour. If you not seen my video, then go and check the link which I mentioned in my description box, and also which is mentioned in the I button. Go and check, because today's video is depending on the People Per Hour, and where I am going to share some tips and tricks by using which you can definitely selected as a freelancer in People Per Hour. Because when you are going to search in People Per Hour, there are lots of freelancers portal you have already seen, isn't it? And those freelancers profile, if you observed, then you have to understand what type of criteria are mentioned in the fill up the form. In previous video I have also mentioned that when you will go to register in the People Per Hour, you have to fill up the 5 steps making your profile. That is, first one is tell us about yourself, the second one is the select your skills, then add reference, then set your on-site performance and preference, and also the personalize your account. So today I am going to share the 10 tips by using which you have to fill up these 5 steps and you should be selected, and this will be a journey of your as a freelancer in the People Per Hour website. So let's get into the video and talk about the tips and tricks. So guys, as freelancer you have to think about that you have to attract some project, isn't it? And you have to contract with the another authority and organization where you may got some project, you may get some project, and that should be completing within a time, within the preferred time, and you will be paid. So according to the market strategy, the project should be on high demand. So first and foremost thing that you should be go to research what type of market strategy is now going on. As because as an example I am telling you now, online home based job is the one of the most trendiest topic in the internet world. So in case of online work from home, then one point will become, that is SEO, number second is content writing, number third is online tutoring, number fourth is online money earning, as the type of the market strategy is going on. So according to this, you have to skills yourself, you have to expertise yourself and apply for this type of applications form that promote yourself. Suppose you have a company and you and your friends make a company for taking some work and some freelancing project and completing your project as a company. But here you must mention only your name, not your company name, because this is the site that hired you, only you, individual you as a freelancer. So you have to mention here what? Only yourself as promote here as a individual freelancer. So here when going to fill up the form, you have to fill up here as individual yourself. So identify yourself and make a profile only for you, not instead of your company. You have to put your name as the individual and promote yourself. Now come here the rate per hour. Suppose you think that lots of money you will earn to do a project. Obviously this is the thinking you must have, and this is happened when you are freshers. You have to go and growth step by step. So at first you have to select your paid and your rate not more than $10. You should be mentioned here as $10 to $12. Okay, as a freshers here the minimum rate must be preferable. So you have to mention the rate in between the $10 to $12. Now come here the cover picture or profile picture. So use your own image where face is seen clearly. Don't use any graphic or animated or any photo lab used or editing here. Only use your profile picture, so you have to use only your face where your identification is completely independent. Write in a certain way. When anybody read your portfolio, they must understand what type of expertise you are and what skills you have. Now skills, you have to mention here top 3 skills first. Then according to the market strategy, you have to mention here, and you may apply here maximum your 12 skills here. Industry, select the actual one and you can go with market demand. If you have any expertise certificate, you have to upload and you will have the higher prior. Add a reference. So here you can also apply your Facebook link, you can apply your Google account or your YouTube account, but I will prefer you have to mention here the LinkedIn profile link. And one thing is that your LinkedIn profile ID, and that means username and ID, and the People Per Work username and ID must be same. Now come here, the on-site preferences. If select, then you have to put a distance like 20 miles towards your workplace, but because you will start here as the online freelancer and freelancer job is obviously home based job, so I will prefer you that you have to mention here at the home based job profile. Now come here, the number 9, that is personalize yourself. In case personalize where work sample or expertise, make your profile strong and add your profile as the personalize or expertise here. So you have any skills like automation, like any MATLAB or any type of other type of skills, you also upload here. Last but not the least, it must be that have patience and make yourself and develop your skills day by day, and I think it will approve and they will contact with you within 7 days. If there is any problem will arise, you have to go and you have to edit your profile, and using these tips and tricks, again upload your CV, upload your profile, and they must contact you within 7 days. So all the best for you guys. It's the time to start your career as a freelancer worker. If you like my videos, then obviously like, share and subscribe my channel and keep watching my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Goodbye.